Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train.
Good morning. This is Mr. Harley Clement. Okay. Today we are looking at the word problem of the strategy. Okay. So there are many subjects around, okay, available to us. If you want to have some notes and further tuition, you can always message me. If you need other books for me to use other textbooks, okay, you can always let me know because I have some textbook and I'm not sure if this textbook suits your needs. Okay, let me know. And if you need more exercise, let me know. I'll try to find my time to try to make it for you. Okay. So today, when we have the first question, is this 73 plus 42 plus this one plus this one. So if you know how to make number, for example, if this is 10, 10 is divided into two part, which is 1 and 9. If you have 10, you know that this is 5 and this one will be 5, right? So now, obviously, this is year 7. You should make 100 number. So if this is 100, if this is 10, you know that this is 90. when the same thing happens, when this is 100, if this is 12, this is getting 2 more, so this one will be less, so this is 88. So the key is that these two numbers will make tens. However, these two numbers will make 9. Okay, not will make 9. So to apply this method, then I can know that 100, if this is 42, I know that the next, the one digit will make 10, so 2 and 8 will make 10, and then in front one, 4 should be with 5, so that to make a 9, so this is the answer. So after this, and then you also have 100, and then you have 73 here, so to make 7, to make 10, 3 plus 7, and then this one is 2, so 27, 79, 73 will make 100. Okay, so after that, then you look back to the question. Suddenly you may find that this one and this one will make a 10. Agree or not? And then 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 10 is 100. So this is 100. Another pair will be this one. This one also 8 plus 2 is 0, and then 9 is 10. So the answer is easily as 200. Okay. I guess you can get my idea, right? So this is so-called the making number. Same thing happened to number 2, which is 110 minus 48. Okay, so you can split the number into 2 parts. Okay, such as 100, and if this is 48, and actually you know this is 52. Okay, 52. So you have 52, but you have the 10 more, right? Okay, for example, you buy something which is cost you $48. So you have one piece of the 100 notes and one piece of the 10 notes. So you want to buy for something which is cost you 48. Are you going to give everything number? You give the person 100 together with a 10, say, Mister, then give me the change. Then the uncle will say, the auntie will say, the shopkeeper will say, oh, you should just give me the 100. Okay, will do. Yeah, usually we'll do that. You give this one, this piece of note here, this one, you keep this in your pocket, and then you go to pay the 48. So the person will give you a change of 52, and then you put the money back into your pocket. So your answer is 62. Okay, so now I think I have shown you some of the technique also as well. We have memorized some of the special words, right? Special square number in the year 7, year 8, and now it's year 9. So we know that usually you can do 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, and 14 square is 196. 6, 9, and 96, just change the position of 6 and 9. 15 square is 225. Okay. So when we deal with this, you can try many methods for this number 3. 15 times 14. So 15 pieces of 14, I know that is equal to 14 pieces of 14 plus 1 pieces of 14. So if I have memorized this one, so I know this is 196 plus another piece of 14 is 14. So my answer will be 210. Or you can use number 2 method, is number 1, number 2, which is 15 times 14 is equal to 15 times 15 minus 1 of 1 times 15, because now we only have 14 pieces of 15. So together with this, I know my answer is 225 minus a 15. So I'll get you a 210 as well. Number 3, you may try to break the number. 15 times 14. This 14, you can change it to become a 15 times 2 times 7. So 15 times 2 is obviously more easier way. So this one will be 30 times 7. Okay, 7 times 3 will be 210. Can you see? This is so-called a mental calculation. Then we go to number 4. Number 4 is 2 times 12 plus a 4.5. So this one in the bracket you need to do first because we need to learn about the bit mass. In the bracket, you should get it done first if this is without any unknown. Okay, so it's a 16.5. So this 16.5, I can later further divide into the 10 plus 6.5. So I can time it differently. The in front one I get 30, and then the blue one I get it 13. So my answer is 33. Is that how you are using that? 16.5 times 2. Yes, the answer is the same. So not only that, you can always use, for example, if I want you to times 4340 times 25, you may think that 4340 times 25 is very hard, right? You see, 5 times 0, you get 0. 5 times 4, you get 20. This one is 17, so this one is 21. So this one will be 0, 8, 6, 8. So the answer will be 0, 0, 5, 8, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is your answer. Okay, but to this question, you can always use a mental calculator to become a 4340 times 25 is actually 100 divided by 4. Can you see? So you may just divide the 4 and then times 100. For example, this number 4340 divided by 4, 414 0 48 32 20 45. So you can get this as 1085 times 100. 20 will become 108500. Can you see? You can do this division to become a simple because to divide by 4 is much more easier than times 25. The operation is slightly easier. So we go to number 10. Okay, half the 675. So half the 675, you can always do it as 600 plus 70 plus 5. This one will become a 300. This one will become 35. This one will become 2.5. So they add up together will be 337.5. Number 16. What is the area of the square with the side of the 24 times 24? Yes, if this is number 16, the side is 24. So 24. So 24 times 24. Okay. You can use many ways as you want. Okay. You can do it as 24 times 20 plus 4. So this one times this one will get you a 480. And then plus of 20 times 4 is 96. So your answer come out like a 567. Okay. 576, sorry. And then if you like, then we should go to the bit mass operation. Okay. Okay, for example, we should use the bit mass operation for the question like this, number 2. 2a, 5 square minus 3 times 6. So this is a BID. B is the 1, and then DM, and then AS. This one. The B, do you have a bracket? No. So there's I, yeah, this one must be solved first. So this one become 25. So the minus and the times, you should solve the division and the multiplication first. So this one will be solved first. So this is 18. So now we have the one operation, which is 7. Okay. Then we skip to number E. E is 10 minus 2 divided by 4 plus a 7. So the division always come before the plus and minus. So this one should be done first. So it becomes 10 minus 1, 2 plus 7. Now we can do from left to right. Left to right. So it's a 2. Sorry, not true. So this is 9.5 plus a 7 will become a 16.5. Okay. So we should do the number F. So 4, 3, and 3 plus 5 minus 2 times 3 plus 5. So this is a lower one, the denominator. So this is should be a bracket, because this is one term. So this one should be done first. This one also be done. 4 powered by 3 is 64. This one is 8 minus, this one should be 2 together first because minus lower data last. The time should be done first, so it's 7. So this one, this division should be done first before the minus. So it's 8 minus 7. So the answer is 1. Okay, now we should look for the factor. Okay, the factor. Factor is a number that divide with no remainder. I think. So we should factorize this. Okay. So to find the factor, always you must know how to find the prime number. Okay. So you must recognize the prime number first. A set of prime number will be used is like prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, right? So we should try to do this first. For example, if I need to find the factor of the 60, then I should divide by 2 first. Can be divided by 2. So it becomes 2 times 30. This 2 cannot be divided anymore, so let's copy down. So this 30 can divide by 2 times 15. Can you see? So now we do it some more. 2, copy down 2, and then this 15 will become a 3 times 5. So my factor will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, index notation will be 2 power 2 times 3 times 5. Then if you want to find the 60, the 84 will be like 2 times 42. This 2 just copy. This one will be 2 times 21. And then this one will be 2 times 2. 21 will be 3 times 7. So my answer is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. And then my index notation will be 2 power 2 times 3 times 7. So compare these two. I have a common one. If I want to find the common, this is the common part. Sorry, I need to use a red color. Cannot see, right? This is the common part. This is the common part. So the highest common factor will be 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. This can be divided by 12, the largest, and so as this 12. Okay, I should use repeated division to show you another way of solving this question. Another way of solving this question is called repeated revision. So you can put one side 60 and the other side 84. Okay, and then you start with the number 2 first. Yes, must always start with a prime number. So this one become 30. This one is become 42. And then you have 2. This is 15. And then this is 21. And then you have the 3. This is 5 and this is 7. Usually I will stop here. Okay, I will not going further because if I stop here, I have 2 usage of this question. This 3 usage. I later have 1 more. Okay, so can you see 60, 84. Okay, so I will stop here because this is already, you cannot further divide together to find the common things. So because the keyword for this exercise is the common. So common factor and common multiple is important. So I will not do like the book suggested or maybe your school teachers. I have other books which is suggested this way. So it means that through this, until this part, this one will be your highest common factor for these two. And then if you go here to here, will be the lowest common multiple. Okay, so it means that SCF is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. So it's equal to 12. You won't get confused with that. And then this one will be 2 times 2 times 3 times, can you see? 5 times 7. Okay, the common multiple will need to times everything. So it's 144. Okay, so sorry. So it's not 144. I write times it correct differently. Okay. So wait 12 times 35. 35 times 12. So this is 70. 35. So it will be 420. So the answer will be 420. Okay, 420. Okay. For this, I have the third usage. Follow me for this third usage. 60, 84, and then 2, 30, 42, 2, 15, 21, 3, 5, and 7. When I stop here, you can see if I want to do shortcut for this LCM, LCM is always this one or this one. Can you see? The black color is 84 times 5. Okay, it's 420. Or you can use the red one, 60 times 7, 6 also 420. Can you see? So it means that solving this question using this method instead of dividing until 111. So to use, if you stop here, you have 3 usage. Number 1, to find the SCF. Number 2, to find the LCM. Number 3, to find the LCM in the shortcut way. Okay, allow me to show you again. If you have 2 numbers, divide with the prime number, and then stop wherever you cannot further get the common factors. No need to do until 1, just until where you cannot get a further common factor. Usually this will be like stop at 1 prime number. Because prime number you cannot get further some more. Okay, and the left hand side will be the common factors, and the L shape will be the multiples. So can you use this L also same thing to this L? I think it's quite easy. And the third usage is that you can cross it, then you times up the appropriate side, then you'll get you the LCM as well. Okay, I think that's all will be the today's lesson. If you need any further help, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye.